Hello and welcome to Affinity. Here's a way of making colours richer in a photograph by using black and white. Black and white. The way we do it is we go to the Adjustments tab here, click on this, go up to the black and white and click there. Then let's have a look at the control we've got, and we can change how black and white is by playing with these, but we're going to start off with it at 0 because we're going to try a couple of blend modes and see what happens when we use those. So let's try this. Normal. I'm going to go to not multiply as often as used here, but color burn. So color burn here, we've immediately got rich, perhaps too rich colouring here. A lot of things go dark, but what we can do is play around with colours here and see what happens. Yeah, we're going to make them go lighter, so let's turn them up a bit. So we can adjust colours, and because we're turning up red here, only the reds in the picture are going to be affected, so we can play them individually. Greenery has often got a lot of yellow in it, so if we turn this up, now we can see that there is more colour coming through there. Maybe there's also green in there. Not so much. Cyan's often in the sky. Oh, let's turn that down actually. Maybe the green will look better down. Will it do anything? No. I'll just leave it as it was. Blue. How's this going to go? Yeah, blue's going to be a bit better going down. Magenta, no, not so much. Maybe let's bring up the red a bit in the building to make it darker. We go downwards, don't we? Yeah, you don't want to go that way. But literally, when you're playing with colours, literally play end to end, find out where it kind of works for you. So maybe let's leave it there a bit. So there we've got quite dramatic picture there. If we turn that off and on. Yeah, there's the original. If you want to make it more dramatic, colour burn on the black and white conversion and play quite seriously with the colours. So let's do another reset. And what we'll do now is play with another blend mode. We'll go from here to normal here and go up to overlay. Now then, it's a bit light, so we're going to go more to the darkening side. So we can take the reds down here to a colour here we like more. The yellows for the greens here. What we're going to do to that? Let's just maybe about down a bit less. The greens can have much effect. A little bit. They got a bit more of effect here than they did with colour burn. Cyans in the sky. Not so much effect as they were with colour burn, were there? Blues. Again, similarly with this, pull a bit, brings a bit of the sky back. Magenta, not so much. So there we go. We've created a darker, richer colours by using the black and white and either blending it with overlay or colour burn. There we go, and thank you very much for watching.